Guys, yes, good afternoon. My name is Moses Adewara. So I'll be briefly showing you how to run a registration form with a programming language, how to create a registration form. Although we have different kind of basis to create a registration form, we can use HTML and CSS to verify and proceed it on a different kind of form. So I'm going to show you the easier way how to create a registration form. So if you want to know more details about it, I want you to register with me. I will explain it by little. Now let's get started. It is good to see you guys again. Now be talking about registration now. I open my IDE share. Like I said, this is a Python editor. A Python editor. When you install a Python code, so immediately you are going to see this editor. There are two editors you are going to the command editor and the IDE editor. So most of the programming language did not used to use this editor because this editor sometimes did not used to run audio code. It not used to run audio code. Now let me open the file. So I'm going to open the file. Notice I've explained it on my previous video that this is a Python file. So what this file did is a Python script file. So this file actually ended with .py. The meaning of .py because it's a programming language with Python to be able to run all your different variable code to be able to run. Now I'm going to show you about how I did my first registration, how to register people on net to be able to see their database on their own email. So now I'm going to open the file where I store it. So go. So actually, it's sorry, I made a mistake. I opened another file. So let me open the file. Okay. Actually, it has opened my desktop, the place I run my code. So I'm going to go to the folder. So I store it on local disk and building interface. Yes, no, it's not on build. Sorry about that. It's not on building interface. So let me see registration form. So look at it and let's open. Now, these are the code. These are the code. So I find it that what we can create with HTML file. Don't misquote me. I can also teach you about HTML file in Python language. We have different kind of HTML. There is how to run HTML file with Python and how to launch it on web. So now I'm going to teach you the foundation and the basis of how to register, how to create a registration form with Python 3.82. So these are the code. As you can see, it's much. Let me zoom it. You can see these are all the code. I see from the beginning to this thing that it comes with Anicat and a square 2 3. So and a geometric. So the geometric is going to determine how large and how long is it. Now let's run it. Let's give it a try. So let's run. Nice processing. Wow, this is it. How wonderful is it? Wow. So I've enlarged it. Now let's me try something. Let me log in into my register I created. Let me log in my name Adewara Moses. Let me log with my email. Adewara with salvation 56 at gmail.com. Now, actually, am I a male or a female? Actually, I'm a male. I'm a male. So I'm going to click on male. So I'm going to choose the country. These are the country I insert by myself. I'm proud to be in Nigeria. I'm going to choose Nigeria. So now, which programming language did I want to learn? So I want to learn Python. I click on Python and I submit. So everything went successful as you can see. Went successful as you can see. These are the results. Everything went successful as you can see. There's no red here. Now let me find out where did I able to store my analysis because I have it on my system. Let me close this. Okay, let me close this. I have it on my system. I'm going to open your the browsing cube because when you click on submit, actually it's going to go to my email to be able to know that this kind of person have submit into my whole portal that the person is interested to learn Python. Now this is it. This are one of the app to be able to open. As you can see, DB browsing for Q Light is where you log in into someone portal to be able to find out, to be able to give you access into the person, to be able to give you green light. So these are the place most of the time they check the background. Now let me open my folder. Now let me come down to my local disk. These are my local disk. Let me come down to my registration form and let me bring out the database analysis here. Drag it here. Wow, as you can see, guys, so these are data analysis. Now let me see my name. As you can see, this is the table, the student full name, email, gender, country, programming, and programming one. This programming one need Python and the second one need JavaScript. And let's see how many people has to get this time. Wow, guys, you can see this is me. This is me register first. I have been a register, so I register my name, my email, my gender, and my country. And what kind of program I want to learn? Programming one. I want to learn programming one. You can see I click on one, then I send one, and so on. Thank you very